Want to live in one of Arizona's most desirable cities? I'm Gabby, this is Janet, and we're the A-Pool.
And today we are featuring one of our newest listings, 7834 East Moreland Street in Scottsdale, Arizona.
This house has been completely renovated and professionally designed by yours truly, J&D Design.
Let's go check it out.
If you love natural light, you're going to fall in love with this desert organic concept.
With high-end touches all throughout this home also features beautiful natural elements such as Taj Mahal countertops through the entire house, custom light oak cabinetry, and most importantly, the spacious and large kitchen and dining area. Not only is this home beautiful, but it's also situated in a desirable location. Its close proximity to major freeways, ASU, entertainment, and minutes to the popular Old Town Scottsdale. Call us today to schedule a showing.